Hi students, today we are going to discuss about some important fashion accessories. In last few classes, we just discussed what are the different type of fibers we are used in fashion industry. That mean what are the different classification of fibers and how to characteristics these fibers. Just we saw and we discussed about the things in last few classes. Now you have some idea about some what is the fiber and what is the characteristics and how to how to classify the fiber and how to distinguish the fiber, right? Okay, now next chapter we are going to discuss about what type of chemistry or what type of chemistry materials we are used in fashion accessory items. Just for example, we are making lot of fashion jewelers for fashion industry. It is look like different colors, like some of the fashion jewelers are look like green, even some greenish metal also we are using, but we don't know what is that metal, why it shows green color. Even in golden jewelry, it's normally we know only the golden jewelry means it is yellow color, but lot of different color of gold is available, but we don't know about that. We don't have any idea about that color. But for fashion grays, just we are use different type of colored gold. So for creating the knowledge, just we are include this chapter in this session. Okay, what are the chemistry materials we are used in the fashion industry? Say for example, we are used a lot of metals like gold, silver, nickel, copper, like that. We are using nearly 7 or 10 metals we are using in fashion industry, and terracotta is one more example for chemistry material in fashion industry, and cooling, and one more important thing is gemstone. So today we are going to discuss about what is mean by terracotta and what is mean by cooling, what is the property of terracotta and what is the uses of terracotta and what is the uses of cooling. It is a small chapter. And next is what are the important metals we are used in fashion industry and what are the properties of metal and what's the uses of the metal used in the fashion industry. And next one is gemstone. Gemstone is used for a fashion industry for create the look in fashion jewelry, okay, and also some astrological thing also there in the gemstone. So just we are going to discuss what are the different type of gemstones are available and what is the uses and what is the characteristic of gemstones. Okay, first of all we are going to discuss about terracotta. What is mean by terracotta? Terracotta, already this is used by all of the human being. Just it is and nothing but baked red clay is known as terracotta. What is the meaning terra and cotta? What is the mean by terracotta? It is a Latin word. Just terra means earth. Here terra means earth. Cotta means baked. So baked earth soil is known as terracotta. Just it is used for making of flower pots, tiles and statues. So that's like lot of uses are there in terracotta. So what is the best composition of terracotta? Because the normally clay make material, that means clay materials are used by different compositions, but best composition of terracotta is dry clay. dry clay 50 to 60 percentage, dry clay 50 to 60 percentage, and grounded glass. Now a thin grounded glass we are used in because for getting shine, so we are adding ground glass. It's just 8 to 10 percentage of ground glass. And crushed pottery, crushed pottery, crushed pottery 20 percentage, and then clean white sand, clean white sand 10 to 20 percentage. So it is the composition, best composition of terracotta. So just we are using this composition, we are getting good terracotta material. So what is the property? I already know the terracotta is the red clay material, red or brown, red or brown or red brown clay material. Okay. Just in the wet condition, it is having bad water, but after baked, it get very good color and with good odor. Okay, it is a rough texture before molding. It have a rough structure, but it can be easily finished. In beginning, after baked, it is look like a rough structure, but it is able to finish easily. It have best durability, and fireproof. One more important property of terracotta is it is easily molded to any shape. It is easily molded to any shapes. Molded to any shape. So what is the uses? It is able to use for making lot of ornamental works and decorative material. Okay, uses. It is used for making them decorative material, decorative and ornamental work for making fashion ornamental work. Okay, and then it is used for, that means baked hollow blocks of terracotta is used for, hollow blocks of terracotta used for machineries. Hollow block of terracotta is used for machineries, and then it is used for fireproof material. And it is extensively used in making of tiles, bricks, flower pots, and cookware items and sculptures. So it is something about the terracotta. So just a simple thing, terracotta is nothing but just baked material, baked clay material. So it is having best composition. It is definitely containing dry clay, ground glass, crushed pottery, and clean white sand in different percentages. Okay, it is a red brown clay material. It's having rough structure but easily finishable, and then this durability, fireproof material, and many important properties molded into any shape. And it is used in lot of ornamental work, decorative purpose. Hollow blocks of terracotta is used in machineries. It is used as fireproof material in lot of areas. Mainly used in making of tiles, bricks, flower pots, cookware, and manufacture. And then next chapter is cooling. Cooling is nothing but just paperwork material. The shaping of paper or cardboards or any of the boxes are dedicated to somewhat making of flower pots or any fashionable items. Just ornamental graft work. Ornamental graft work. Ornamental graft work. Making by using paper, shaping of paper or fabric or glass. Just make fold or pleats to make the different type of materials by using. It is used for making of greeting cards. Greeting cards. Greeting cards, boxes, gift boxes, somewhat model jewelers, model jewels, and model different items, model items. It is known as just making of paperwork. Okay, the craft work is done by any of the paper or box or by using glass, that is known as quilling. Normally, the fashion industry students use these quilling items in lot of shows. Okay, so just you need to know something about the quilling and terracotta. Next, we are going to discuss about what are the different type of metals we are used in fashion industry and what are the gemstones we are used in fashion industry. First of all, we are going to discuss about the gemstone. What is mean by gemstone? Just the earth material. In the ground earth, just we are find somewhat glassy material, that is known as a gemstone. Based on the color, based on the source, it is classified into different type, but maximum all the gemstones are treated. We are used only the treated gemstone. So actually the gemstones are classified into 5 different types. Actually, based on the composition, it is classified into 3 types. One is organic, inorganic, and somewhat synthetic gemstones or treated gemstones. Okay, but based on the property, it is classified into 5 different types. Okay, the one is natural gemstone. Second one is treated gemstone, genuine gemstone, imitation gemstone. That's like it is classified nearly 5 types. So just in the next half an hour we are going to discuss about different type of gemstones we are used in fashion industry and what is the property of gemstone and what is the uses of gemstone. Okay, gemstone is just mineral materials come from earth. Gemstone is the mineral materials is come from the earth. It is very hard material. It is compared to diamond. It is some of the gemstones are nearly hard to diamond. Already know the diamond is very hardest material. So maximum of the gemstone having that much of hardness. The study of the gemstone, the study about the gemstone is named as gemology. Actually the gem cutter is known as the shaped and convert the gems into stone, precious stone, that the name is called, that person's name is called as gem cutter. Okay, what is the different type of gemstones? The first one is natural gemstone. The second one is genuine gemstone. Genuine gemstone. And then the third one is synthetic gemstone. Fourth, imitation gemstone. And then fifth, treated gemstone. So the gemstones are classified into 5 different types. One is natural, genuine, synthetic, imitation and treated. Here the natural is nothing but no interference of human. Without any interference of human, just we are use the gemstone in for making the fashion accessory, means that type of gemstone is called as a natural gemstone. Okay, without the single word, we are just to say natural gemstone is nothing but without interference of human being. Without interference of human beings. Just we are getting from here, just we are used directly to fashion accessories or any of the fashion material, means that is known as a natural gemstone. So that is next one is a genuine gemstone, that is just treated, somewhat treated, because the natural gemstone is not in good shape, not that much of shine, not that much of color, but after treated with any one of the metal or somewhat, means we are getting good precious gemstone. Okay, so without changing any property of gemstone, its treated, means that is known as genuine gemstone. Natural gemstone with treated. With treated. Next one is a synthetic gemstone. Synthetic gemstone is nothing but it is prepared in laboratory, but it having same physical and chemical characteristics of natural gemstone. It is prepared in laboratory, but it have same physical and chemical characteristic of natural gemstone. What is imitation gemstone is nothing but it is also prepared, synthesized, but it does not have same physical and chemical characteristics. Does not have same physical and chemical characteristics. Treated gemstone is all the gemstones are treated gemstones only, because the natural gemstone already I said it is not that much color, it does not have that much shine. So all the gemstones are treated. In the basically in beginning days, just we are treated by help of heat. Just we are by heating, just we are breaking or making the hole into the gemstone, and that holes are just for removal of the gas. Why we need to treat the gemstone? Because all the gemstones, the time of getting from the earth, had have occupied by some of the gases and water particles. So the gases and water particles are removed by this treating property. The treating is nothing but heating. Before just we are heat the gemstone, just we remove the gases and the unwanted materials. After that, just that hole or breaking are closed by using some of the chemicals. Nowadays we are using some lasers. Just using lasers, just we are creating the holes into the gemstone and just remove the gases or unwanted materials, and then it's filled by some chemicals. Based on the metals we are using the filling the cracks, that based on the metals we are getting different color of the gemstones. Normally the ruby gemstone means it is a red color, but we are adding somewhat chromium or any other material, its color is totally changed. So just gemstones we are getting different color, or we are getting different colors. So naturally broadly the gemstones are classified into 5 different types: natural gemstone, genuine, synthetic and imitation and treated gemstones. What are the examples of the gemstone? The first example is emerald. Next, topaz, ruby, pearl, coral, amber. So next 10 minutes we are going to discuss what is meant by emerald? What is the chemical property? What is the hardness of emerald? And what is the color? And what is the crystal system? What is the main property means? Just 4 main properties there. What is the chemical composition of the gemstone? And what is the hardness of the gemstone? And what is the crystal system of gemstone? And finally, what is the different colors available in the gemstone? First, we took emerald stone. Emerald. Emerald is from the beryl family. Just it is taken from igneous or metamorphic rock. Okay, it is available from. It is just found from igneous and metamorphic rock, sedimentary or metamorphic or igneous rocks. It is the beryl mineral. Already I said all the gemstones are minerals, so it is the beryl minerals. The chemical formula of emerald is Be3Al2Si O36. It is the chemical formula. All the beryl compound or all the emerald contain maximum this type of composition only, Be3Al2SiO36. The color of the emerald is green color stone. The green color stone is called as emerald. Suppose we are adding chromium and vanadium. Actually, the emerald material is available as colorless material. The colorless emerald material is called as goshenate. The goshenate is nothing but it's a colorless emerald stone is known as goshenate. But how do we are getting this green color means how to get the green? We are adding some chromium or vanadium. Just we are adding some small amount of chromium and vanadium into the emerald natural stone. We are getting green color. Suppose it is treated with iron, we get bluish green color. Or yellowish color based on the oxidation state of iron. Its Mohs hardness is 7.5 to 8 Mohs hardness scale. Actually, the emerald gemstones hardness is measured by Mohs scale. The Mohs scale hardness of the gemstone emerald stone is 7.5 to 8. And then it is the hexagonal crystal system. So it is some important things about the emerald. Next one is topaz. Topaz stone. Topaz is nothing but it is a aluminum silicate family. The chemical composition of topaz is Al2SiO4FOH twice. Chemical formula of topaz is Al2SiO4FOH twice. Actually, suppose it look like orange red color means it is no more precious. Actual color of the topaz is blue color. Normally, the modern jewelers we are using blue color gemstone means that is definitely is a topaz stone. But the orange red color topaz is very rare, but it is more precious. Suppose the topaz is look like orange red color, means definitely it is more precious and more valuable gemstone in the market. It is also available in found in igneous rocks. Igneous rocks. It is Mohannes is 8. And then the crystal system is orthorhombic. Orthorhombic crystal system. In astrologically, it is the stone for November, birth of November. Birth of. Next one is pearl. Pearl. Okay. Pearl is available from sea. Pearl is available from sea. Thus it is come from living organism called molluscus. Is organic germs from living organism that name is called mollusc. Thus it is available in molluscus in sea. It is called as queen of sea. Queen of sea. It is available in white, black, tinge of yellow, blue, in lot of colors, but white color pearl is more precious and in shape is round. Lot of square pearl is available, but it is not more precious. Only the white color round pearl is only the precious value, and also it is a cure. It is believed to cure stomach and ulcer type of lungs and stomach type of disease, and also to remove bad affiliation of moon. The astrologer said it removes bad affiliation of moon. What is the composition? Pearl is a calcium carbonate composition. It's containing 80 to 86% of calcium carbonate and 10 to 14% of concholine and 2% of water. So the main composition, main formula is COCA3, H2O is the pearl composition. Its Mohannes is 3.5 to 4. 3.5 to 4 Mohannes scale of pearl. Next one is ruby. Ruby is a red in color, so it is the passion of love. It is a passion of love. The stone ruby is the passion of love. The stone for passion of love. And its Mohs scale value is 9. It's nearly, it's a look diamond. It's a nearly a harness. It sometimes it suppresses the diamond's beauty. Actually, we know the diamond is very beautiful stone, but sometimes the stones cutting of ruby cutting stones are you suppress the beauty of diamond. Its chemical formula is Al2O3. The chemical formula of ruby is Al2O3. And then the next one is amber. Amber is the harness substance of resin from pine tree. The pine tree elevates some resins. The resins make it polymerize. After polymerize, we are getting some hard stone. That hard stone is called amber. Normally, the amber containing some inclusion of some insects or some plant material. The mosquito inclusion of mosquito with amber stone is more precious and more valuable stone. Normally the amber stones look like yellow in color, or sometimes it is available in blue, red, green or somewhat colors. Its molecular hardness also nearly 2 to 2.5. Very soft stone is a soft stone. It inclusion of materials. It is amorphous. This and pearl stone, both of them amorphous crystal system. And then the last stone is coral. Coral hardness value is 7. Coral more hardness value is 7 to 7.5. It is a garden of the sea. Its composition also calcium carbonate. In the deep, nearly 500 feet below, the small organisms develop this coral. Nearly 1 millimeter to 2 millimeter only is developed in per year. It is full of calcium carbonate. It is created or it is produced by some small animals that is called as coral polyps. Just normally it is available in white color, but it's made in red color or blue color. It is called as garden of sea. So up to now we are discussed some different type of gemstones we are used in fashion. What is the properties and what is the uses of that gemstone.